Welcome to the Solatube Focus Whole House Fan installation video. This precision ventilation system is designed to deliver cool, refreshing air and a healthier environment in any room of your home. The Focus Whole House Fan is a game changer because it brings precision airflow exactly where you need it, one room at a time or throughout your whole house. They're great for bedrooms, perfect for home gyms, incredible for nurseries, as well as when you need privacy. Now let's get into the installation video. Before you begin, please read the installation instructions. Using a stud finder, locate ceiling joist near desired fan location and mark location between joists. Use a drywall circle cutter, mark a 14 3/4 inch round opening. Use a keyhole saw to cut ceiling opening. Carefully remove and discard cut piece. Plug power cord into outlet in attic. Run receiver end of cord to cut ceiling opening. Pull receiver cord through ceiling opening and insert receiver cord into fan plug. Insert fan into ceiling. Use screw gun, engage the 4 fastening clamps. Align intake grate tabs with ceiling ring. Push intake grate into ceiling ring and twist clockwise to secure. Finally, install the remote control holding plate on the wall. Now with installations complete, the only thing left to do? Enjoy cooler days, better sleep, and fresher air, room by room. For additional assistance with installation, visit the technical resource page at www.solatube.com or call 888-SOLATUBE to speak with a customer care agent.